Water is a crucial element for human health, and staying hydrated is essential for maintaining proper bodily functions. However, many people overlook the temperature of the water they drink. While cold water may be refreshing, warm water has been shown to provide several health benefits that make it an excellent choice for daily consumption. One of the primary benefits of warm water is improved digestion. Drinking warm water can stimulate the digestive system, helping to break down food and facilitate the absorption of nutrients. Warm water also helps to promote bowel movements and relieve constipation, making it an effective natural remedy for digestive issues. Another advantage of warm water is its ability to detoxify the body. Warm water can help to flush out toxins and impurities, promoting healthy kidney and liver function. Drinking warm water also increases blood flow and promotes sweating, which can help to eliminate harmful substances from the body. Weight loss is another area where warm water has shown potential benefits. Drinking warm water can boost metabolism and increase calorie burning, helping to support weight loss efforts. Warm water also helps to promote feelings of fullness, which can reduce appetite and prevent overeating. The heat from warm water can help to soothe sore muscles and joints, providing natural pain relief. Warm water can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is associated with a range of health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Skin health is another area where warm water can provide benefits. Warm water helps to improve circulation and promote blood flow to the skin, which can improve skin health and appearance. Warm water can also help to hydrate the skin, reducing dryness and preventing wrinkles and fine lines. Stress reduction and anxiety relief are other areas where warm water can be helpful. Drinking warm water can have a calming effect on the body, promoting relaxation and reducing feelings of anxiety and stress. Warm water can also help to promote better sleep, which is essential for overall health and well-being. In addition to these benefits, warm water has been associated with other advantages, including improved immune system function, enhanced cognitive function, and better heart health. Warm water has also been used for centuries in traditional medicine practices, where it is believed to balance the body's energies and promote overall health and wellness. So, how much warm water should you drink daily to enjoy these benefits? As with any health-related recommendation, the answer may vary based on your individual needs and health status. However, a general guideline is to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, which is equivalent to approximately 2 liters or half a gallon. It is also essential to consider the time of day and the circumstances in which you are drinking warm water. Many health experts recommend starting the day with a glass or 2 of warm water, as this can help to stimulate the digestive system and provide an energizing boost. Drinking warm water after meals can also aid digestion and improve nutrient absorption. Another approach is to drink warm water throughout the day, sipping on it regularly to maintain hydration and promote overall health. Adding lemon or other citrus fruits to warm water can also provide additional health benefits, such as improving digestion and boosting the immune system. It is essential to note that drinking too much warm water can also have adverse effects on health. Overhydration can lead to electrolyte imbalances, which can cause nausea, headaches, and other symptoms. It is crucial to listen to your body's signals and adjust your water intake accordingly. It is worth noting that warm water is not a magical elixir that can solve all health issues. While it can provide several benefits, it should be seen as a part of a balanced and healthy lifestyle, including a nutritious diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep. Lastly, it is essential to ensure that the water you drink is clean and safe. Contaminated water can cause a range of health issues, including infections, diarrhea, and other illnesses. Always drink water from a trusted source, such as tap water that has been treated or bottled water from a reputable brand.